In this video, I'll be showing you how to create desktop shortcut on Google Chrome. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using Chrome on, whether you're on like a PC, laptop, MacBook, or anything like that, because the principle is exactly the same. So all you want to do is open up Google Chrome, and you can do this on literally any web page you want, whether it's a video web page. I'm just going to be using Chrome as like just google.com as an example within Chrome. And all I want to go ahead and do now is press the three little dots that you're going to see on the top right. You're going to see a lot of different options, but go over to cast, save, and share. Once you're here, you're going to be able to save the page as something if you want, but you can press create shortcut right here. That's going to say create a shortcut to this page, and then I can, just rename it anything I want. So I can just rename it like something like this. And then all I got to do is go ahead and press create, and then the shortcut is going to be right there. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.